Hey guys, Bryn here. So today we will be making a fidget toy. We won't be making it this small, but when you turn it, it looks like a chain. This is a bigger version. And when you close it, it looks like that. So sorry. Anyway, so I will need to re-glue this. I should just use a stapler. I just don't have one. But that will work. Stapler will definitely work. So now you're gonna want to, you can cut a big, then you're gonna want that to put that in the middle. You can use thick or thin. So for this one, I cut it in half and I made a really small one. And then, yeah, I keep have to glue in them sometimes. But that's what the end result looks like. So after when you make it like this, you're gonna want to glue the square right here. Then you're gonna put that together into an L shape or an A. Just don't if you turn it into it. Okay, so see right here, you are gonna want to take that bottom one and fold it right over. Then you're gonna want to take this one and fold it right over here. So it's another L. Then you're gonna want to fold it like that and keep folding it like that in the same exact position. If you have to fold it to you while you're doing this, that is fine. I usually have to do that. So then you will get to this where there is a little small. So then after that, when you get there, you're going to want to fold this last part on top of that, and the last part on top of that. So then you're going to want to grab glue, staple, or tape. Glue it, staple it. If you have a staple, then you're just going to staple it right there. But if you have tape, then you're just going to want to tape it. So right now, I do need to still tape this end. Wait. So I had a short paper because I cut the top off a little bit. So you also want to cut it the long way. I cut it the short way. That's why. So I think that is dry. And I just made it instead. There. So then I just have to wait. And sometimes this is already like stuck. It's just because I already glued it. You always want to do that. So then you have this little spring. Sorry, I keep dropping my stuff. Anyway, so then you have this little spring. So sometimes you can bounce it. Like, okay, go, we're done. So, then you want to pull, just gently, not too hard, and then twist. This is the other version I made. Glue. Sorry, this looks like my head. So you guys might know this already, but TikTok is getting banned. It's crazy because I am addicted to that app. But they might actually not because America has never banned an app before. So So my friend actually made one for me one time, and she really taught her how to make it. I don't know where it went though. I know, kind of rude. Anyway, so this is the very long version I made. Yeah, because I was gonna put it like this, but then that happened. So that one didn't work. So I just scrapped that one. Get it out of my life. So just in case you guys were not paying attention, I know some of you, or you guys just didn't follow along at first. So you want to pause the video if you need. So you cut it. So I'm using ugly yellow. Anyway. Sorry, my brother. My brother is watching YouTube. Sorry. It's old Vines. When Vine was an app, I didn't even know. I wasn't even live when Vine was an app. Just kidding, I was. I just never went on it. So then I'm going to two papers when I get the other two out of here. So then it might be uneven. Yeah, mine is. Good. Okay. So now okay. So I suggest to start at the big side if you cannot cut a straight line like me. Even if I use a ruler to draw the line and then I cut it, I still can't do that. Okay, that's furrowable. Ready? Just check. Just gently. It's because and then you're gonna want to fold. You're gonna hold it one way. So see that little crease right there? I'm going to put that like that. And boom, 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 boom. And you're just going to keep doing that. I know the first demonstration was easier. This one I'm just kind of going through. Because probably it's harder. I may just need watching me fold. Fold. And fold. So. Hold it for about, I would say about 30 seconds. Hard or soft, but if you put it soft, you probably have to hold it for a last 40 seconds. But I hold it. You don't have to hold it for that long if you don't want to, but it's only if you're using glue like me, because I don't have tape here. Yeah, I know. I don't have tape here either. Yeah, I really don't get that. Anyway, so boom, boom. Again, whispering. I don't want to wake that up. It just broke. That's what I get for not waiting as long as I saw. Just because this video is already 9 minutes long. So. And also you can use your scissors. Hello, I am David. Hello everyone, my name is David. Boom. So I've probably made 1,000 of these. So see you guys next time. Bye.